Hey everybody, I'm Georgette.
And I'm William.
And this is Club 1901. Today we are back in Hollywood Studios. So hopefully by the time you see this video, Tramps will be back at Hollywood Studios. If you didn't hear, they're coming back to Hollywood Studios as well as Epcot very soon. We just don't have a date yet, but I'm hoping it's September 1st.
It is so hot out here, let me tell you something.
Yeah. So good thing that Disney is bringing Tramps back, and this area behind us, that's where the drop-off is going to be. It's right in front of the park.
You haven't seen us lately because, it's been way too hot. Getting a headache just standing here.
Yeah, it's really hot outside.
Sunny.
Yeah, it's super sunny. So it's probably been like 3 weeks since we've actually been in the parks and done a video.
No rain. There's a hurricane coming though. I think it should be here Wednesday.
I think so, yeah.
Wednesday,
Yeah.
Barbecue party. Yeah.
Tropical storm, bro. That's 3 o'clock every afternoon in Florida. Hey, bro, just got upgraded to a Category 1, boy. It's time to, hey, call in the party. Call in the party, bro. Hey, bro, that thing done hit a 2, bro. That mean we finna be lit, bro. We finna be lit, bro. Nah, get the mic hards, get the twisted tees, bro. It's about to be lit. Hey, bro, it's a Category 3. Man, listen, ain't nothing to worry, bro. What you worried for? It's a Category 3, bro. Hey, bro, it's a Category 4. Yeah, it hit a 4. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water, just some small stuff, but I ain't worried, bro. Why would I leave? Hey, what's up, bro? You said that thing hit a 5? Hey, bro, call the Waffle House, see if they open. You did? Bro, the Waffle House closed? Hey, bro, let's get out of here, because we all know, bro, the Waffle House don't close, bro.
So we're here at Hollywood Studios. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We're gonna go in the park, ride some rides, have some snacks, and take you along with us.
Let's do this.
You ready? So in typical fashion, we have to eat something before we ride anything. So we're gonna go into Pizza Rizzo's and have some pizza.
We ordered a pizza. And we ordered a salad. It's got pepperoni. They're all in the middle. And this table's broken. It caused her phone to fall and her wire to break. There's a piece right there. Show them the wire.
Is this the wire?
That is the wire.
That goes to this. So now we have no mics. So after we eat, we have to go all the way back home and hope that I have another adapter to come back and finish this video.
Hopefully it'll be cooler outside. Not as hot. But that's a lot of driving.
Yeah,
If they had tables that didn't, I'm afraid to do it because I'm afraid like everything's gonna move. You see that? That's the table moving. And it moves a lot more than that. And I didn't know that. I was just trying to scooch over.
yeah, and those mics are about $300. They're trash right now. But hopefully I have another adapter at home or something that will work. And we'll come back for round 2 of this video. But for right now, we're gonna eat food because I'm angry.
Angry.
Well, we ate our food, and now we're going home to see if we have another adapter for our mics.
That's why you can't hear us right now.
Yep, sorry. Hopefully we have another one, because they are kind of hard to find. If not,
Amazon.
yeah, Amazon. But cross your fingers. Oh wait, cross your fingers.
What was that? Grown up gang sign?
Hopefully we can fix this, and then we'll be back. So after kind of talking and taking into account traffic and time, we decided not to go home on a scavenger hunt to try to find something to fix the mics. So sound quality might be off, but we decided to stay here, ride rides. It would have taken us like, what'd you say, about 2 hours?
2.5 hours.
Yeah, and that's just hoping that we had spare parts at home. But now we can use those 2 hours to take you along with us on some more rides. So,
and what we'll do is we'll try to find quiet places that way you can hear what we're saying.
yeah.
And I'll try to speak up because I don't speak that loud. I try not to.
All right, so let's go ride that first ride.
Right. Two people. Right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
Wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah, make it happen.
Make it happen. Give me some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you. All of us? Hi, Sally, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch.
Wilson Dreams here. From the Aerosmith concert. It seems like everyone in town is heading to the show, so there's driving everyone you know.
We just got off Rock and Roller Coaster, and this is my roller coaster here. You know, I tried really hard to keep my eyes open this time because I never really do. Did you know that the ride, or the premise of the ride, is like you're going to the concert, like you're going through the city?
Yeah.
Did you
In
know
a
that?
limousine.
Yeah. I don't know. I never really paid attention, I guess. I was always too scared. And we don't get to ride that much. It's always down for refurbishment, or we just don't ride it. But it was really cool. So
So I had a little headache when I started, and now I have a big headache.
we're done over here at Rock and Roller Coaster. Now, what do you say we go ride Mickey and Minnie's?
Railroad?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's go. If you ever have a headache from Rock and Roller Coaster, or just in general, first aid is right behind us. So when you first walk into the park, you're gonna hang a left, and that's where first aid is. If you need anything, they're super nice. You just ask for some basic information, and they take care of you, get you fixed right up.
Free towel. Or you can go right there in the circle and pay. Show them the circle.
Yeah, so first aid is here, and the entrance is here, and the circle is right there. So you don't have to go there to buy Tylenol. Just go right there to guest service. They'll take good care of you. Okay, so we were walking through one of the stores to get some air conditioning on our way to our next ride. And check out these ears. These are the Spider-Man 2099 ears. They're really cute, but I have to say the bow is a bit flimsy, so not my favorite, but the color combo is super cute.
$20.99.
Yeah, that's what it says.
So this guy right here, that's $20.99 Spider-Man. It's
Oh.
from the future. The ones you have in your hand, I don't think she's in here. It's her right here. She's doing a backflip.
What is that?
Stormbreaker. It's a little on the flimsy side. It's made of styrofoam. Slow down.
So we stumbled across these lightsabers behind us. They are 30% off. Now you can't do like a double discount or anything. We did check, so if you have an annual pass, you're only gonna get that 30% off. But that's still a really good deal because you can take home that box set for about $190. It's a really good deal, so. And you don't even have to go back to Galaxy's Edge. They're right at the front of the park. Okay, so we're just left Sights and Sound. That's the name of that store that has the lightsabers and all the really cool Marvel and all of that stuff that obviously I know nothing about. But we're gonna head over to Mickey and Minnie's right now because it's time to get on the Runaway Railroad.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. We'll sing a song. Absolutely nothing but the run. Oh, beautiful day for a picnic. Yep, we're off to the park. See you all there. Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I'll try my best. I'll see what I can do.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Alright, folks. It looks like we're heading into the cartoon.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. How do you do?
Hey, Mickey and Minnie. The park's filled with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are!
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. Let's
We're supposed to stop.
Such a transition in front of us.
I know.
We have temporarily stopped Mickey and Minnie's.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. By my side.
So we just got off Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad, and I think we missed a whole section. I'm not sure, I'll have to look back at the footage, but
Yeah, I felt like I got cut off.
yeah, there was a little hiccup in the ride. But it's a cute ride. Mickey and Minnie definitely needed their own ride, so I'm glad that we have it here. But now it's time to go ride one of our favorite rides.
Flight of Passage? Flight of Passage?
That's the wrong part.
Oh, wrong part.
It's Star Wars themed.
I know. My brain hurts. I ate Tylenol. I got a headache. Wait.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
We're gonna go ride Rise of the Resistance. So it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and if you're wondering like what the crowds are like, I'm gonna pop those up in the screen right here. But Rise of the Resistance was only like a 35-minute wait, which that's kind of crazy, I think. Slinky Dog was 90.
90, man, that's long.
Yeah, but it's currently showing a 100-minute wait time. But that's just weird to me that Rise is only 35, so we're definitely taking advantage of that.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line up and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe-Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate green flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. We route. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump out of the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll bring some friends to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do right now? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
To the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beku, recruits. For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? Priority alert. Detachment. There they are! Fire! Down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Resistance is about to be destroyed. Recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Line up, Stafford's parking.
Down in Sector 4. Verification ended from G-Man personnel.
Where's little Teddy? I need eyes on track. Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruit. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo. Yes, R5, you too.
We just saved the resistance. So now that we did our job with saving the resistance, I think it's time for a little friendly competition over at Toy Story Media.
We saved the resistance? I thought we just escaped, that's all.
Oh.
Yeah. We got captured. It was a catch and release kind of thing. Kind of like a fisherman. They didn't mean the releases.
Recruits from Screening Post 2, entering Sector 7.
Let's go to Toy Story Mania.
Yeah. You're going down.
Guess we'll see.
Congratulations. Blew the glasses off. That's how good I was.
Yeah, I lost again.
I was best in cart. Even behind me. Behind me was 172.
Yeah, I got 127, he got 191, so I don't think I'm ever going to win this game. I think I earned the dessert though.
What? Me, I earned the dessert.
Okay, so I wasn't the chosen one this time, or any time really. I always lose.
So sad.
It is sad.
You should start a foundation for it.
You should. That would be great. The Losers Fund. That would be me. And I think since I lost, I get to pick the dessert.
Because I win. The winner's favorite. This guy.
Okay, so we got the most boring snacks ever. Not really. This is really good on a hot day, but it makes you really thirsty, to be honest.
Bag of nuts.
If you watch our videos, you know I said I wanted something very special, and I got that today. I'm going to show you what that is. I got my bag. I got my Halloween bag. I'm so excited. That's going to be it for us today. Thank you for hanging out with us.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, make sure you thumbs up the video.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. I think we're at like 200 subscribers, so thank you. Make sure you share the video with your friends. Let us know what you want to see next time. Bye.